Good morning children, welcome to class 1. Today we will see subtraction with beads on the abacus. So you have learned abacus in previous chapter. Now we will use abacus for subtraction. So let us see, here we have to subtract 65 minus 22. Now what we will do, you can see here I have made abacus over here, and here first number is 65. So I have made beads. So in ones place we have 5. So in ones place, this is ones place. So I have made 5 beads here over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is our second number? That is 6. Again you can see in tens place we have 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see we have to subtract 22 from 65. Okay, so first of all we will expand both the numbers in tens and ones form. So here we can write 6 tens plus 5 ones. Again we have 22, we will write like this: 2 tens plus 2 ones. Now we have to subtract. Here you can see we have made beads over here, 65 beads, 5 in ones place and 6 in tens place. Now we have to take away 22. So 2 is in ones place, so we have to take away 2 beads from 5 beads. So we will take away. This arrow sign means this is taking away. Now in tens place again we will take away 2. So in tens place we have 6 beads, again we will take 2 beads away. So arrow marks shows that the beads are taken away. Now how many beads are left over here? So 1, 2, 3. So you can see 3 beads are left. Now in tens place how many beads are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus sign will come here, 4 tens. Now you can see 4 tens plus 3 ones becomes 43. So here you can see 3 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. So using abacus we can see subtraction like this. So this is how we can subtract. Let us take one more example. You can see we have to subtract 67 minus 34. Again we will subtract using beads on the abacus. So here you can see first number is 67. So in this abacus you can see in ones place 7 beads are there. Let us count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in tens place we have 6. So we will count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our first number. Now we have to take away 34 from 67. So first of all we will write both the numbers in tens and ones form. So 67 can be written in 6 tens plus 7 ones. Again 34 can be written 3 tens plus 4 ones. Now we have to subtract 7 minus 4. You can see we have 7 beads over here and we have to take away 4 beads from 7. Now we will count from the upper side 1, 2, 3, 4 because we have to take away 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We will take away 4 beads from here and we will arrow mark in upward direction. Now how many beads are left over here? 1, 2, 3. So we can write 3 ones. Plus sign will come here. Now second number is 6 minus 3. So you can see we have 6 beads here and we have to take away 3 beads. So again we will do the same process. We will count 3 from upper direction. 1, 2, 3. We will put an arrow mark in upward direction. Now how many beads are left here? 1, 2, 3. So you can see 3 beads are left. Now you can see here 3 tens plus 3 ones. 3 tens plus 3 ones becomes 33. Now we can write here 33. So this is the answer. After subtraction 34 from 67 we get 33. So this is how we can subtract using the abacus. So I hope you have understood. Till then, thank you so much.